Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, after I clicked, my location is now on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same No Blue shortcut. If you want to, you can always just go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Location section. Over here. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!